Good morning. So I'm coming to you guys with something that I've been researching for a while, and this definitely has changed. It used to be very hard to write and get paid for it if you weren't a journalist, had a degree, and some experience. But now the doors have opened, and I want to share that with you guys because this is what I do. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with the Clubhouse. Write, Earn, Write and Earn. Okay, what is Write, Earn, and Give program? Write, Earn, and Give is a Clubhouse program that pays software engineers to write tutorials, how-to, and thought leadership content for Clubhouse. With each writer payment, they also donate to a tech-focused charity, nonprofit, or open source project of writers' choosing. I know you're probably saying, wait a minute, that sounds like a professional. Yeah, but we have more. Just always try to be, cover something for everyone. And if I can try to fit everybody in it, I do. Alright, so they pay out based on the following structure. How-tos, $400, tutorials, and with working code examples, $600. For blog posts, $350. Alright, and you want to know, what should I write about? Well, this is what they're looking for. For a broad spectrum of content written for software developers and engineers, this includes, but is not limited to, holistic thought leadership topics designed to help developers, fun posts that talk about the world of software engineering, coverage and comparison of popular developer tools, analysis of the software team and the roles it compromises of, guidance on managing and scaling a tech team, career guidance and advice for software engineers. So those are just a couple of things that you can write about, but not only things you can write about. Alright, so this is your area of knowledgeable information, your expertise. You want to click sign up for free, and when you do, you just get an email, put your email in and get started. Okay, now the next one we have for you today is called Couchbase Community Writers Program. Alright, and this is another computer Couchbase. Topics are right here in this area. Alright, this one, I mean, it's pretty basic what you have to do, what type of articles they want you to write, and they'll also help you get them edited and professional like to be presented to the public. Alright, I'm not gonna read too much on this one because it's pretty much the same area as the previous one. This is how you get into doing it. Write that down there, or you can take a test drive. Okay, and this is what'll come up, and you just hit go and you'll be off and running. Otherwise, you can just download this Couchbase server and get started. Alright, but what I didn't tell you was, because I know that's very important. Oh, $200 per article, okay? So I'm just saying there's some good money in writing. Even if you research it to write it, just to write it, you understand? As long as it's good information, factual information, you are okay. You can submit that and get that money and get paid. Okay? The next one is get paid to write. With IONOS, it's creating a large collection of tutorials that provide users step-by-step instructions on technical topics. We're looking to make this content accessible to focusing on the reader, conveying topics as simple, easy to understand. They'll pay you $200 per tutorial. Alright, what's this tutorial, huh? Achieves useful outcomes in a single setting, builds practical skills, conveys technical topics in an accessible manner, relates to installing or configuring a software application, and inspires users to expand their technical skills. Alright, so you just send in your information, send in your writing sample and work with them. Get it right and get paid, you know. And then when you want to, if this is something you do want to pursue, this little page will come up after you click Launch Status Center. Fill out the information and get started. Alright. And last but not least, IncomeDiary. So with IncomeDiary, I like IncomeDiary because, alright, let me just calm down first of all and get this information to you before I start talking about why I like it. They launched IncomeDiary back in 2009, and thanks to the help of dozens of writers, has been able to publish 100 articles and attract millions of visitors each year. If you're an expert at anything to do with creating awesome websites, driving traffic, social media, making money online, they want you to write for them. And there's even more topics, okay? They're currently looking for an expert in search engine optimization to write an in-depth blog post about keywords, researching using either Ahrefs or SEMrush. Alright, so you can contact them with a quote. Include examples of previous writing on SEO. If you don't know what SEO is, a search engine optimization, and that's probably something you don't want to write about if you didn't know what SEO was, unless you're going to do the research and get the writing. Otherwise, this may not be for you. Alright, so to subscribe, I know it's down here. Okay. The thing everybody wants to know is $200 for worthy articles of the highest standard. They emphasize that your article needs to be of the highest standard and genuinely of interest to their audience. How to write articles that people will pay for. Information below. Alright, so that's it for today. Well, for this video anyhow. I have a ton of different sites, and I'm going down the list, but I don't want to bog you guys down. And as you know, the links will be below the video. So you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in a few. Toodles.